Science has always pushed the boundaries of human understanding, but sometimes in the quest for knowledge, scientists conduct experiments that blur the lines between genius and madness. In this video, we'll uncover 6 of the craziest scientific experiments ever conducted, some groundbreaking, some bizarre, and some downright unsettling. Let's dive into the fascinating world of unconventional science. Number 1. The Stanford Prison Experiment. In 1971, psychologist Philip Zimbardo turned a basement at Stanford University into a mock prison. Volunteers were assigned roles as either guards or prisoners. What started as a simulation quickly spiraled out of control, with guards becoming abusive and prisoners suffering severe emotional distress. The experiment, meant to study the effects of power dynamics, was shut down after just 6 days. It revealed disturbing insights into human behavior under certain conditions, but its ethics are still debated to this day. Number 2. The Milgram Obedience Study. How far would you go to obey authority? Psychologist Stanley Milgram set out to answer this in the 1960s. Participants were asked to deliver electric shocks to a learner, an actor, for incorrect answers, with shocks increasing in intensity. Despite hearing cries of pain, most participants continued delivering shocks under the experimenter's orders. This study highlighted humanity's troubling tendency to follow authority, even at the expense of others' well-being, and raised serious ethical concerns about the psychological toll on participants. Number 3. Operation Midnight Climax. This experiment, part of the CIA's MKUltra program, was as bizarre as its name suggests. In the 1950s, the CIA ran secret brothels in San Francisco, where unsuspecting men were drugged with LSD and observed to study the effects. The agents behind the project monitored their behavior through two-way mirrors. The goal? To explore the use of LSD as a mind control tool. While the experiment was a colossal failure in terms of its scientific objectives, it remains a shocking example of government overreach. Number 4. The Human Z Experiment. In the 1920s, Soviet scientist Ilya Ivanov conducted experiments to create a human-ape hybrid, or human Z. Ivanov attempted to inseminate female chimpanzees with human sperm, hoping to produce a hybrid species. His efforts were unsuccessful, and the project was eventually abandoned. The ethical implications of such an experiment are staggering, and it's still a chilling reminder of how science can cross moral boundaries in the pursuit of knowledge. Number 5. The Twin Studies of Josef Mengele. During World War II, Nazi doctor Josef Mengele conducted inhumane experiments on twins at Auschwitz. He aimed to understand genetics and heredity by performing cruel tests, such as injecting chemicals into their eyes or stitching twins together to create conjoined siblings. Mengele's experiments caused immense suffering and provided no meaningful scientific contributions, standing as a stark reminder of the horrors of unregulated science. Number 6. Biosphere 2. In the early 1990s, scientists built a massive sealed structure in Arizona known as Biosphere 2. The idea was to create a self-sustaining ecosystem to simulate life on other planets. However, the experiment quickly ran into problems. Oxygen levels plummeted, plants and animals died, and conflicts arose among the participants. Despite its failure, Biosphere 2 taught us valuable lessons about ecological balance and the challenges of sustaining life in closed environments. These experiments show both the brilliance and the danger of scientific exploration. While some expanded our understanding of human nature and the environment, others crossed ethical lines that can never be justified. As we continue to push the boundaries of knowledge, it's crucial to remember the importance of ethics and humanity in scientific inquiry. Which of these experiments shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories from the world of science and history.